Today we are going to look at how you can set the custom instruction for GitHub Copilot in the VS Code. So I'll provide the link for this blog from the VS Code, but let me show you how you can create the custom GitHub instruction. So basically you can just create a .github file slash copilot instruction.md file in the VS Code. So let's directly jump into the VS Code and see how you can just create one. So first you have to just create like you have to just enable this setting in the VS Code that it will follow the uh, GitHub Copilot instructions from the folder itself. So you can click here and it will directly jump into the VS Code. So like you can see here, it is already enabled for me. So let me just create the .github file. Okay, inside that file, let me just create the name of this .copilot instruction.md file. Okay, so I have created it. So here you can write the normal file, like normal or natural language instruction, use the markdown format. So for the time being, we can just create a system prompt, generate the system prompt from the for VS Code Copilot, so that it will understand and create good quality of code. VS Code, let me just rewrite it. Good quality of code for next JS project. Okay, so you can just create. It will follow the markdown format, and let me just copy paste it for the. Okay, once it will be finished, I will just paste it into the markdown file. Okay, so let me just, you are an AI powered assistant, you can just copy it and paste it. Okay, so you can just copy it, and let me just copy it and paste it here. Okay, and then save it. So when you will open here and just close this file and this setting, let me just write one file like image.js, yeah, index.js, and here you can just give the command. Let me just go to the Copilot edit and create a basic next.js component. So I am here just giving you the demonstration, but you have to just create the next.js project, and inside that you have to create that file. But right now I'm just showcasing for you. So it is using this file which is located here. Okay, it will work and create edit for you. Okay, it is already creating card.tsx. It will generate the file and it will create here. But uh, what is the main point, that it is following the instruction that is given into the file itself. So yeah, it is created here, the card.tsx, and I'll keep it. Okay, you can just create the custom instructions. whatever you want. Okay, so you can read this article and go through the settings that needs to be followed. You can also create the instruction for the workspace also, but it is good practice to just create the GitHub file and create a copilot instructions.md file. Okay, so I'll attach the link for you and you can go through it. So one more thing, that if you want more videos like how you can set the GitHub Copilot setting that will be used for the best practices, you can just comment down. And if you want that how you can get the GitHub Copilot plus access for the student, then you can comment down. I will create a video how you can get the free GitHub developer pack as a student if you have a valid email ID from the institution. So if you want that, please comment down. I'll create the video for that also. Okay.